Good day. I am Vinuta, Executive Manager at Zamindar Microsurgical Eye Center. I would like to take you on a virtual tour of our OPD with all the process and procedures which we have implemented to ensure the risk of transmission is kept at a minimum. We have also got our processes validated from Quality Council of India, and they have certified us for WASH. It's an acronym for Workplace Assessment for Safety and Hygiene. We have created a waiting area outside with a canopy and comfortable chairs for attendants and patients in an open area to prevent any crowding. All patients, visitors and attendants have to fill in a form and self-declaration form which helps us in deciding if the person had any risk of associating with symptoms or contact. The next step is screening, where we check the temperature and also we issue a fresh surgical mask with instruction on wearing it properly. A microport tape is given to secure the mask properly on the bridge of the nose. The patient will be asked to be seated on a chair which is sanitized before seating a patient. The patient completes the registration process. The registration process is made very simple. The patients are encouraged to make payments via card or any UPI method to reduce contact. The chairs in the waiting area are placed to maintain social distancing. Before the initial assessment, the optometrist takes a brief history through the form to reduce contact time. Optometrist enters the brief history in the system and then calls the patient inside. The furniture and equipment are sanitized before each and every patient by cleaning it with sodium hypochlorite. Our staff wear adequate PPE, which includes scrubs, masks and face shields. The doctor's room is arranged to maintain social distancing. The doctors show the image on the screen so that the patient is made aware of an eye condition. The conversation is kept at a minimum. If the patient has more queries, it is answered outside or via intercom. The equipments for investigation and scanning are protected by breath shields to reduce the risk of transmission. They are cleaned and sanitized after each patient. The counseling room is arranged to maintain social distancing. The counselor will explain pre-op and post-surgery instructions to the patient or attendant individually. We have introduced a new department. First in Bangalore is Vision Therapy Department, a value-added facility. Our vision therapist works with individual patients to improve their binocular vision and help patients with lazy eyes, computer vision syndrome, and many other such issues like unexplained eye strain and headaches in children and adults, which cannot be treated with just glasses. We dispense glasses and frames very carefully, following all safety protocols. We maintain social distancing, wear masks and talk less for our mutual safety. Please remember that behind these masks and face shields, we will always remain your caring, smiling, and trusted Team Zamindar.